Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilots YouTube channel. And today is a little quick ID tip for helping you identify a cheetah or tiger in flight by its tail. Stay tuned. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. First, let me say that this tip is not applicable to all years and all models of cheetahs and tigers. But in the general case, if you look on the left right here, you're going to see a cheetah tail where the vertical stripe up the stabilizer goes all the way up through the top of the rudder cap. And here's a 77 cheetah that I really like that we use a lot, and that would be Matt's airplane, Shot Monkey, and it has a really nice stripe right up the tail. Now if you look at the tigers, the stripe will run along the vertical spine and then curves along and goes parallel with the ground over the rudder cap. But the cheetah again goes all the way up through the top. Now there are some variations to this. Like we're going to take a look at a very unusual cheetah here. It's a cheetah by N number. It was a cheetah by registration, but notice the tail, it's got a tiger tail on it. So again, on a cheetah, you always have that line going up the vertical stabilizer right through the top of the rudder cap. That's the distinction of a cheetah. But now this unusual cheetah that we have, this was a 1977 cheetah. And again, you look at the tail. That's a tiger paint job on the tail. And it probably happened at the heyday of them making airplanes. And this one was going to be a tiger, but it inadvertently got painted like a tiger tail, but on a cheetah body. Anyway, those things happen in the factory, and when David Fletcher saw it, he came and bought it and took it down to Fletch Air. But again, it was a cheetah. So we hope you found all this information useful and informative. Thanks for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And in addition, there's a little treat about 3 o'clock in the morning when I'm doing web work and other stuff. Here's my cat coming down, playing with a mouse and meowing and just having a good time with me in the wee hours of the night. So I thought I'd throw this into you as a little treat. Y'all please enjoy.